Is there a best time to post on TikTok Shop?
Well, I think, yeah. You always say that it's best to post them in the morning and let them build up throughout the day. Agree to a certain degree, because my videos that I've actually posted in the evening have done us the most views.
I'm going to do you one better. Go on TikTok Studio, go and look at your followers and look at when they're most active. When most followers are online, then post them. I'd
Yeah,
say that.
I agree with that. I'll be 100%.
I'd say post then. I'd say look at the spike and how it goes up and it'll go down. So look at when it starts to go up, you want to start posting them. Then if you're posting 5, you're going to get one every 45 minutes for the next couple of hours, or 3 hours or something, 4 hours. So then you're going to have 5 videos up in 3 hours, and you can look at the spike and see where the spike is. So you're going to have this one, and then you're going to have the one at the spike, and then you're going to have the one after the spike.
Weekends, bank holidays is completely different as well. I'd always say post more videos and post them in the morning.
Yeah. Weekends definitely always post in the morning.
Yeah, 100% always post in the morning. And
Fridays,
bank
Fridays. What
and,
time would you post?
Not bank holidays. I meant paydays. Paydays, post in the morning and post more videos throughout the day.
Yeah.
Not past 4 o'clock.
Always,
it's a payday.
always post more on paydays.
On payday, but not past 4 or 5 o'clock, because people are out. People are drinking.
Yeah.
People are spending the money. They've just been paid.
What time would you post on a Friday?
In the morning.
In the morning.
Yeah, literally stop at like 4.